How to resize product images in Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize your product images in Shopify. Let's get started. I will show you two easy methods. For the first method, go to product page, then go to the product you want to edit. After that, click on the existing image. On the right side, you will see editing tools. Click on the resize, then choose your desired dimensions. And make sure that the lock aspect ratio is on. After that, click Apply, then click Save. Shopify will now use the new size per dot image. And for the second method, adjust image size through your theme's code. If you want more control, here's how you do it through your theme code. Go back to your Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store. Then, click on Themes, scroll down, and next to your current theme, click the three dots. Then, select the edit code. In the code editor, type in product and search for product information.liquid. Here, use Ctrl F and find the line that says media screen. In the product information media, change the mean width with the value from something like 100% to a smaller number. For example, type in 50%. Do the same for the other image size lines if needed. Then, click Save. After that, go to your online store, then go to a product, and now your images will appear smaller throughout the store. Sometimes your Shopify theme automatically resizes your images, so what you see might depend on your theme layout. You can always tweak the display further using the theme customizer instead of both. And that's it. You now know two easy ways to resize product images in Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.